Hello everyone, today I will show you how to lock a layer in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now click on this left sidebar arrow and here you will find this layer. This PDF file has one layer, this one. Now click right button and select properties and here you will find this lock option. So we'll click on this layer, lock. Now select OK. As this layer now locked. Now you cannot on or off this layer and you cannot edit this layer. In this way you can lock a specific layer or all layers on your PDF file. Finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.